Somaliland ha noolaato ha noolaato ha jirto ha joogto adduunka ha ka mid noqoto ma diiranidin caawa. Okay. Somaliland delegation led by His Excellency Abdurrahman Dahir Adam, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, and Member of Parliaments of Somaliland and senior officials who have come from all the way to Somaliland to participate with us in this auspicious ceremony this evening. Excellency Shukri Haji Bandara, former Minister of Environment and Climate Change of Somaliland, our distinguished guests, both honorable diplomats and friends of Somaliland, Somalilander Americans, it's my pleasure to welcome you to this beautiful evening in which we celebrate the 34th anniversary of Somaliland's independence restoration. Tonight, tomorrow, and since the beginning of May, Somalilanders back at home and all over the world have been celebrating, and rightfully so, 34 years of peace, stability, democratization, and economic development. No one celebrates like the Somalilanders do all over the world. It's a brand by itself. 34 years of standing out from the region in which we live for our resilience and self-reliance, a unique in Africa indeed. 34 years of institutional building, democratization, in which we again stood out as a role model in the region and in Africa, conducting peaceful elections and peaceful transfer of power. 34 years in which we prevented terrorism, piracy, human trafficking and wildlife trafficking from our territory, thanks to the collaboration between our people and our security forces. 34 years of improving judicial systems, our education and health institutions, 34 years of economic growth through free market economy. 34 years of robust engagement and building friendships with the world, and far and foremost with the United States of America and our friends Taiwan and beyond. And we will continue solidifying our statehood with more vigor and commitment and readiness to partner with the United States in building a safer, stronger, and more prosperous United States and Africa. Thank you very much.